Hello friends, welcome to my channel Zoology Club. This is our next question under Economic Zoology or Applied Zoology. This is part 1 video of this chapter, Poultry. So, let's start. Our first question of poultry is definition of poultry. Poultry is the category of domesticated birds kept for meat, eggs and feathers. Second question, characteristics and advantages of poultry farming. First point, minimum investment. Low income group persons can also start the poultry business on a small scale because it required comparatively less investment than other livestock farming. Next point, quick return of profit. Rapid return of profit from an investment is possible because chickens start egg laying at about 6 months of their age and broilers become marketable for meat at the age of 8 to 10 weeks. Next point, efficient conversion of food protein. Broilers can easily convert their food into protein. Next point, continuous source of income. Because poultry products are produced throughout the year, it becomes a continuous source of income for the farmers. Next point, requirement of small space. Modern method of poultry farming requires small space and can be done even at the roof of house in urban areas. Next point, easy availability of poultry food. In an agriculture-based country like India, several agriculture byproducts may be used as poultry feed. Next point, availability of superior varieties. Due to several research works and hybridization experiments, nowadays several superior varieties of poultry birds are available which produce large amount of egg and meat. Our third question of this chapter, poultry, is breeds of fowl. Deshi breeds, that is indigenous breed. The term Deshi is used to include all indigenous fowls exhibiting great variations in their shape, size and color, which even if they have local names or pronounced characteristics that tennis, naked neck, Punjab brown, Ghagus, Kalahasti, Karaknath, etc. are pure breed of fowl. Our first breed is Asil. Asil means real or true, is the name given to an indigenous breed because of endurance, power and fighting qualities. The original Asil is a medium-sized aggressive bird commonly known as the Reza or Tikra. Pure specimens of this breed are now rare and are available with some parts of Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Uttar Pradesh. Asil is one of the best table birds as the meat is delicious and flavored. This is the picture of Asil. Now, Chittagong or Malay. It is found some parts of eastern India. The color of this bird is white and splash of golden marking on the wings. The bird grows faster and is ideal for table purposes as its flesh is excellent. Next, Ghagus. It is a peculiar Indian breed, it having feathers on the legs. It is a big bird and hardly this breed found in Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. Ghagus is a good table bird. Next breed is Bastra. It is a minor breed of Deshi class found in small numbers in Gujarat and Maharashtra, particularly around Mumbai. The birds are deep-bodied and light-feathered. Improved or exotic breeds. The term improved is applied generally to the exotic and comparatively modern breeds of chickens imported into this country. American class. First breed name is Polymouth Rock. It is one of the most popular breeds of USA as it can attain good size with excellent flesh. It has fair egg laying capability. The standard weight of this breed is cock 5.5 kg, hen 4.5 kg, cockreed 5 kg and pullet 4 kg. Next, Wyandotte. It is a rounded body set close to the ground. It is very well adapted for flesh production and can lay a good number of eggs of standard quality. The standard weight of this breed is cock 5 kg, hen 4 kg, cockreed 4.5 kg, pullet 3.5 kg. Next, Rhode Island Red. This breed is hardiest of all breed which can survive well in varying climatic conditions. The chickens grow quickly and easy to day and well sited for wet and heavy rainfall region. The standard weight of this breed is cock 5 kg, hen 3 kg, cockreed 4 kg and pullet 2.5 kg. This is the picture of Rhode Island Red. Next class is Asiatic class. The important members of this class are Burma, Cochin and Langshan. So, Brahma. The earliest Brahma is said to have come from India in the Brahmaputra area. The standard weight of this breed is cock 6.5 kg, hen 4.5 kg, cockreed 5 kg and pullet 3.5 kg. This is the picture of Brahma. Next, Cochin. This breed is from China. The feather is long and profuse, which makes the bird appear larger than it really is. This is the picture of Cochin bird. Now, Langshan. This has its origin in the district of China. It is a graceful bird with well-proportioned body and with a single comb. The standard weight of this breed is cock 5 kg, hen 4 kg, cockreed 4.5 kg and pullet 3 kg. This is the picture of Langshan bird. Now, English class. First breed is Sussex. These breed of this class are provided with prominent breast and well developed with excellent fleshing qualities. Next, Cornish. It is originally known as Cornish Indian breed, which is said to have been developed in England from the crossing of Indian Asil and English game breeds. The standard weight is cock 4 kg, hen 3 kg, cockreed 3.5 kg and pullet 2.5 kg. Next, red cap. The name red cap is derived from the large rose comb which is the characteristics of this breed. The standard weight is cock 4 kg, hen 3 kg, cockreed 3.5 kg and pullet 2.5 kg. After that, Mediterranean class. White Leghorn. It was first introduced into India by foreign missionaries and planters about 80 years ago. It is most popular as egg-producing breed. Next, Leghorn. Leghorn is small, active and known for the harmony of its different parts. It has a relatively long back, prominent breast. The white variety has gained popularity all over the world. Next in order of popularity are brown and black. Ancona. The Ancona is of the same general type as the Leghorn. The standard weight of this breed is cock 3 kg, hen 2 kg, cockreed 2.5 kg and pullet 1.5 kg. If you like my video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. And please like this video and share this video with your friends. Thank you.